Well, hello there. I'm Shannon Grissom, and welcome to another episode of Painterly's 2-Minute Tips. Inside, you'll find tips on painting, marketing, the creative process, and so much more. Don't miss a thing. Please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you inside. Today we're going to talk about values and how that relates to your painting. Yeah, I know we could go a lot of places with that statement, but what I really would like to know is, what are your intentions for each painting? So you determine your intentions first and then key the values to match your painting. You're going to have a strong piece. The basic value ranges are high key, low key, middle key, and full range. Here I'm going to show you some examples using a selection of my portraits. You can do this with landscapes, still lifes, whatever the subject, it doesn't matter. Are you looking for a lighthearted piece? Try a high key painting. It's all done in the lighter edge of the spectrum. This high key painting was great for a child's portrait, really kept things light. On the other hand, if you want something to feel really grounded, really earthy, stress the low key. Try everything in the darker end of the value scale. Here's another portrait of a child, but she has a more serious edge to her, even though she's got a twinkle in her eye. In this mid-range piece, nothing is too dark or too light. God, I sound like Goldilocks. But the subtleties create a complex work that really matches this subject. And here's a full range piece that really emphasizes the model's flair for the dramatic. Full range is a great way to really take folks on a wild ride. So there you go. Next time you start a painting, think about your intentions for the mood of the painting and key the values accordingly. For the latest tips and lessons, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit painterly.info. I'll see you next time.